Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Labels by Soumi. My name is Soumya and in today's video we are going to talk about hair care. So I'm going to tell you a DIY by which you can get a long, shiny and healthy hair. So as we all are sitting at home and we have a lot of times that we can just try this DIY, so I thought why not to just share it with you, so even you guys can just try it on and let me know that if it really works for you or not, and if you have any other ideas which we can just exchange. And I want to try them all, as I say in all my videos, that if you have any ideas please let me know. I would love to try them all. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For this hair mask you just need 3 ingredients. The first is 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 egg and 1 lemon, and you have to mix them all together. Step 1 is to comb your hair so there are no tangles and the mixture will go on smoothly. Now you just have to start applying the mixture. You only have to apply the mixture on your roots and nowhere else, because the liquid will flow and it will automatically get in the length, a very little amount, and you have to just massage properly. I know it doesn't smell nice, but guys, the results are amazing and you should try it on. So you have to leave this hair mask at least for 30 minutes and then you have to just wash it off with the normal water, not too cold and not too hot, just normal water, and just massage, proper shampoo, and then apply your conditioner or hair mask, whichever suits you. You have to let it dry, like air dry, and leave them. So guys, 30 minutes are over and I washed my hair and dried them also, and as you can see they are looking so shiny and they are actually feeling so soft. I hope you guys will also try this DIY and let me know it works for you or not. I'm waiting for your comments. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this amazing DIY. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any update.